Tell us a little bit about CRA, it's Community Reinvestment Act, and what it means for first-time home buyers.
Okay, let's start talking about the Community Reinvestment Act. The majority of people haven't heard anything about that, but it's very interesting to find out that the government has passed an act in 1977 that is called Community Reinvestment Act. The short is CRA. What is the CRA? It's a specific law that was passed by the Congress, and the goal of this law is to improve the financial conditions that are being provided to the first-time home buyers. So what is very interesting that due to this law, due to this act, there are different ways of analyzing the activities of very big financial institutions, because everyone has this impression that those big banks are working for very rich people and they don't care about the first-time home buyers or repeating first-time home buyers. So that is not the case. Since this law has been passed, a lot of big financial institutions, they were passing and creating various programs which are focusing on specific areas that need attention, that need improvement, and also what is called first-time home buyers. So I would love to provide more details and more information about that, but the main point about this law is that using and understanding how to prepare for such an important transaction. We're talking about the people who are buying for them and their family. They are transitioning from rent to actually buying their own property for their children, for their family. This type of program and more knowledge and more preparation helps people to get this program. What are the advantages? So number one advantage is the lower down payment, as basically any other conventional loan provides. We're talking about the programs that are starting with 3% down payment. And people with experience, they know that when the clients have lower than 20% down payment, the majority of financial institutions and the majority of programs are requesting for something that is called PMI, private mortgage insurance. And since the lender is having a higher level of risk, this is type of insurance that basically helps the lender to mitigate that risk. And in this program for first-time home buyers, the clients do not need to pay this what is called PMI, and also the what is called the interest rate usually is much more advantageous. So we see that a lot of banking institutions have developed these programs to open the door for the first-time home buyers. And those programs are very different. They have different conditions, and every time it's very important to find out how that works for your specific scenario, because people have very general questions, but it's very important to speak with the real estate agent to understand what kind of property you're looking for you and your family, and what would be a good financial product that would support you in this very important decision. Because in order to prepare for that financially, mentally, it's not a 2-minute decision. It's a very important decision in your life. So it would be great if you can have a conversation with your real estate professional, an experienced real estate agent, and give us a call where we will be able to discuss it on a conference call. And also when we're working together, when we're understanding the most important components, because there's also a geographical component to that together we will be able to find properties, and those could be single family properties, there could be condominiums, even duplex properties that qualify for that program, and we will be able to discuss how we can help you with those solutions.